ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯇꯔꯥꯅꯤꯊꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄꯣꯂꯣ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯇꯣꯔꯅꯥꯃꯦꯟ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯕꯤꯅ ꯏꯪꯂꯦꯟꯕꯨ 7-3ꯗ ꯃꯥꯏꯊꯤꯕ ꯄꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯦꯝꯄꯤꯌꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ US Ambassador to India Kennet Juster ngasi Imphal da laktuna Sangai Festival sharuk yakhre amadi Yumda yokpa sha-uchek chariba makhal asi khangdoknaba expert koukhre Kurumjari Times of Manipur News yengbirba punampu kumantem jangtana taram nokjari hojik miyam da paw chandokna pijari Mamangi sahigi edition ki champion oikhiva India team bina taranithoi suba Manipur Polo International Tournament India team bina England bu 7-3 da maithiba piduna champion oikhre ngasi sanakiba final match aduda India team B asi Manipuri ngaktana sabani
Manipur Sangai Festival ga mari lainana Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association na sinduna sahi koding pangthokpa Manipur Polo International gi 33 suba edition gi champion amung anna Manipur ngaktana saruk yaba India vina champion oikhre India B amadi England anin sanakiba final match aduda India B na England bu 7-4 da maithiba piki India B gi mai pakpagi score sing adu ahanba sakarda ahanba minute jersey number 2 P Ozit amadi jersey number 1 TS Kawana score tauki sakar asida England gi jersey number 4 Josh Amorna 4.53 suba minute England gi goal account hangdoki Ani suba sakar gi ahum suba minute jersey number 3 S Bimona score ama tawbaga loinana ahanba sakarda India B gi score hangdokiba P Ozitna minute 9 subada score tauki England gi ahanba sakarda score taukiba Josh Amorna 3.27 suba minute score ama tawduna ani suba sakar loiba fawbada India B na score 4-2 da lead tawduna satki Final match asigi ahum suba sakar chanaba haurakpagi minute 3.06 subada India B gi jersey number 1 TS Kawana score ama tawbaga loinana jersey number 2 P Ozina match asigi mahaki ahum suba goal oina minute 5.30 da score amaga tawki ahum suba sakar asida England gi jersey number 2 Henry Amorna minute 3.27 da score ama tawbaga loinana 3.46 minute Josh Amorna score tauki match asigi aroiba sakarda mamang da score ahum tawkraba P Ozina anova score amaga tawduna India B gi apunba score 3-1 ki sakar asida England gi score amata tawba ngamdana final match asida India B na England bu 7-4 da maithiba piduna taranithoi suba Manipur Polo International 2018 gi amuk anna mapu oiba ngamkibane India B gi represent tawduna sanakiba players sing adudi jersey number 3 amadi captain oiriba S Bimor jersey number 4 T Pradeep jersey number 2 P Ozit jersey number 1 TS Kauba jersey number 5 TS Jacob amadi jersey number 6 Laisemba Takhelambamni ngasigi final match aduda sample oikraba India B gi team da chief guest oina saruk yakibi Manipur gi governor Nazma Haptulana cash prize oina lupa lakh amadi trophy sing kusinnabaga loinana runners up takraba England gi team da cash prize oina 50,000 amadi trophy fee
White House ki makok thongba official ama oiriba US Ambassador to India Kennet Juster ngasi Imphal da laktuna Sangai Festival sharuk yakhre mahangna Imphal da thunglabaga Chief Minister N Biren unadringai da Manipur gi Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah unaki US ki akhanaba delegate oina Sangai Festival da sharuk yariba Kennet Juster na festival asida sharuk yabasi harau bufawi festival asina Bharat ki awang nungpok state sing maruina Manipur bu malem da sakta pagaloinana in the US anigi mari chasin hanba ngamlagani loinana state asi South Asian laibak singa Act East policy gi makhada samnahan gadoriba maruiba mafam amasu oiri haike
Well, I'm delighted to be here. This is my first trip to Manipur, and I really want to get to know all of the states in the Northeast better. It's very important that the United States enhance its relationship with this part of India which is so critical to broader connectivity within South Asia. So I'm looking forward to getting to the Sangai Festival, to seeing all of the traditions and costumes and the cultural aspects of this wonderful state. Well, I think it's very important that there be connectivity not only within India, between the main part of India and the Northeast, but also with other countries in Southeast Asia. And as you said, Manipur is an important part in that broader situation. That's why it plays a key role, and I'm delighted to be here again.
Amaromda Manipur gi Governor Dr. Nazma Heptulana Sathariva Sangai Festival Lishingani Taranipan asi Chauna Mai Pakle Hokiba Sahiga Sangdamnabada Malem gi Miyamna Festival Asibu Sakhangbaga Loinana Saruk Yabagi Changsu Hengalakli Haike.
Well, the Sangai Festival is a great success this year. I've seen last year also it was good, but this year it is because the Chief Minister has taken a lot of interest and he has invited foreign guests also. Thai princess came, hosted her yesterday for dinner, and there are people coming, the ministers coming from Myanmar, the ambassadors coming, the American ambassador, he just called on me, he is also going to the Sangai Festival. So these efforts have made the Sangai Festival more popular and more known, and it is going to help the tourism, because in their countries people also will come to know that there is some festival like this. There is some state like Manipur which has got such beautiful places, because when they come for the Sangai Festival, they not only see the festival, they will see the state also, and they see the other places like Loktak Lake and Emma Market and all those special things, and our culture.
Yen nganu amadi Yumda yokpa sa makhal kya chariba sa asi karambano haiba khangnabagidamak ngasi iroisemada leiba Manipur Zoological Garden da nungdang expert mayam satlaga lairiba sa makhal sing aduda yen nganu pijaraga makhoina sabagi mawong matau tawraga haina Forest Environment and Minister Thonongjum Syangkumar na phongdokre. Bangna makhatan hai Manipur gi ching amadi tampaki lamsingda masakhangdaba sani haina chingnaba potsangna attack chatharaklebasi asengba tangdangba karino haibadu khangba ngamdri adubu Kajeng Langgumba tampaki lamsingda paksina leiba maramna makhoina oiramgadra haibagi chingnabadi lei loinana numit nini humni asida sa makhal asi khangba ngamlagani haina phongdokhe. Bangna makhatan hai Forest Department na task force ama semlaga mafam kayada yen nganu thamlaga yengsinbagi thabaksu hokre hiramasigi matangda Forensic Department ge miyo yauna expert kaya tanaduna khananenari athubada India gi akhang ahising laklagani haina su phongdokhe hiramasigi matangda miyamna mipaiba poktanaba amadi lamlaki sabu Chingaduna happy than Nabasu appeal to K.
Manipur, the Koina, the Paki and single lamde, Elector Sazi, Karamakangi San of those who are Kangam. Adabu, when I'm seeing the Penosi, Sibet, Tiger and Kajing Langumba, Masasi Makadi, Manipuri, Zagazagada, Yama Lorota, the East, Equator Makaleb, the Gi, Penami, Pavagi, Har Haketo, Halazumana Pobidaba. The wildlife activity key with the gate. Later, we might talk about the different places with Panga. I don't see wildlife India about the period. I don't hide Makangi Sargent, the current Makangi Sargent, High Sargent Saribra. The no Saribra, the Magi style who's in Mundang, Manipur Zoological Garden, Mundang, which is like experimental. The labor the Samakale, the Pena, Yanganoji, Pichel Laganda, Magi, it is Stando. They can identify to it. Not a bit of way to Zagazagada, Great Department, task force, Yamakanda, I but Yanganu Tamatama, okay, come to the whole. The Bogidi, we cannot say. Can't hang on the Haliba, it is Seme, Karambasana, Halibano, which I don't have the subsabado way. Round within 2 days of finding out I do see animals and the expert way, meeting up with the Karamba, Sanas among the Sagi Habado, I do my place finding out the real. I do see Yamtuna will get soon that report.
Yen nganu ok loiba farmer singna yariba makai sa loifam sing mai ngana thanbiu amadi section na senabiu veterinary department na lokhat pham thokpa section thorang sing lokhatli haina director Dr. Sauba Hawizam na phongdorakli sanjen thongda leiba veterinary and animal husbandry officer Tom TV ga akhanana unaba amada wafam asi phongdokhibani director Dr. Sauba Hawizam na Churachandpur, Malom, Sangai, Basikong, Kakching Yauna, Mafam Karada, Yumda yokpa yen nganu, ok, hameng, Yaoshingda masak khangdaba jiba amana hatlamba, mabuk hogairga, intestine chathok lamba thokdoksing thokli. Churachandpur ge thokdok asida, chariba sa ase, post-mortem tauraga yengbada, yakul taramba thengnaki, chariba sa sing asida, laina tina nabagi kudam di fangde. Churachandpur DC Vigilance team ama semduna thigatpagi thabak kana chathari, akhang ahigi matungina, masak khangdaba jiba asi kaisal, lamhui natraga, Kaijenglanggumba oikhre haibasu awang bathakta khanabasu lei. Mapung oina sa-sing asina makhoigi chanaba machinjak phanglaktabadagi tholakpa oibasu yai hainasu chingnaba lei. Chingnariba asi koknaba aikhoi punna khangdokminasi department da miyamna angamba mateng pangbiu haike.
Koi hojiksi amabu orgasu khangaga public da kiriba nuaitaba leirisima koi integrated approach sama concern department sing forest and the police ki side ko ki side tongan ba civil society the people for animal atei kanu sida thawak tawriba mayam si tanaraga ma sema koi thidok pa ma sangi thidoi mayam su tawnari tawbudi adama sida akoi gi side tegi di akoi farmer sing khara moi loss khara leijariba kambusi akoi gi scheme da yamna chawbudi natragasu koi beneficiary sing khalakpada koi December tha manung da koi na khara beneficiary khara khanjaga da balai wokine ne hameng ne aduga nganu gi kitang tamna keno tongni masida su ngasai gi keno sing si farmer sing keno sing se koi adum hapjage koi side gi kitang keno tongna na ba
Makata na mahang na haikibada masak khangdaba jiba amana yumda yokpa sa sing asi halakpa sina farmer singi economy da sokale haiba khangle masigi damak department na scheme amagi makhada mateng pinaba honari December thada ok yen amadi hameng loinanaba beneficiary khanaba thorang tawriba asida awaba takraba farmer sing asi yahonaba hona jage thokdok asina sada natana miyoibada solakadra haibagi chingnaba amadi leiri masidagi section na leinaba honasi maruoina sa sing asina amambagi kudong sa balok kidanaba sa loiriba mafam adu mai ngana thanbiyo haiki
tambu budingamde adu mayam si mai gumba leiba maingal leiba mafam sing si khara moi ki gan gadobani khara amambadana moina khara hena nuai gadabani moi su kirini mi pong amam kanu tawse aduna koi hojik si masigi incident si thokpani na farmer sing sau sing loibiriba war mapang sing na kitang section na mai jaga du section na senabiba lady hui nung kai ke ama leraga su punjilaga thambida thadoga kanu tongna na pa sangna na ba khona no kai ke khara su section tawrang ka su kitang lokhat bi ya yarga di mai singa na thanbi ba kanu yengon na tro kon khar lapna kanu to bo erga ti lapna lebo erga su mai di khara ngan thanbi on koina sum haijeningi kerumba khudong sa ba leraga ti
Paul Gimarak thana ten ba break matang lojeri
Watch Life and Style, a gateway to the elegance of Manipur. Coming soon, only on Tom TV.
Break ke matungda mayam taram nokcheri Manipur Police Department ki makhada laiba Excise Department sunatage officer yauna personnel chahunga marifu khakna thabak tawri. Masigi manungda mathang sahige February thada personnel humudra nithoi amasu retire tawkhragani. Maramaduna lengangna athuba matamda recruitment tawduna ahangba posting mensel haudrabadi department asi mutkhiba yana leire haina department asigi deputy superintendent L Raguna khangdokre.
Tasengna mati department se kainogi asagi employee masingja ward panina aikoida station lamada staff trangwa lege duboji staff ayambani nipan ga mapan ga taru ga tare ga swaida haira ga leira pani aduna aikoina kaino anisi station manang na pachingji punjal ga khoi wak to minna bani ahum boiro mar khoi kuncha che kunsuna ba collector ga madugi awapati oji ji khoi mayung na ri aduna pukchen char bisinau singna karba nat kan nisana tab karba rama to bitna mare bang siba machimana bunung siba kan bi wai basi khoi apin to jeningi maramdi khoi isana Gyan Taminadragati, Machi Chocolate Loan the Poropote Yamwagani, and Karapato, the CDI, Noni Pancha doing Shana Chato in Koino Toticha, Shen Kayung the Aijati, Zumutat Pohunute Hyperse. I Kalaningi.
Ngarang numidang Patsoi Police Station Gimanung Chanba, Salam Maning Laikai Gelabukta, Low Yabagi Machin Chingba Tractor Natakpadamio Amalakidre. Laikhidraba mi adugi mamingna Yumnam Rishi Chahi Nipuhumdoi Apokpa Laikhidraba Iboton Kawi Salam Maning Laikai Dagini Tokdok Aduga Mari Lenana Pasoi Police na case ama register tawkhre Asiba Haksang Police na Tokdok Tokpam Dagi Lokhalaba Matung Rimski Mokta Thamkhre Haire Amaromda Kaksing Police Station gi Manung Chanba National Highway 102 gi Sora Lokshi Mapada Lambi da Khamduna Laiva Dai Tata Amagi Maningda motorcycle bullet tongduna lakpa mi anina thomjinbada ama sire amana Kakching Jiban Hospital da laikanakre thodok asi ngarang numidang pung taruk lom taba dwai da thokhibani laikhidraba mi adugi mamingna ke samananda chahi kunmari apokpa khogen kawi wangbal mayai lekai dagini shokloba mi aduna chandel dagi IRB personnel ni hairi ngarang numidang pung tararom taba matamda wangoi da tractor amaga Vespa amaga thengjinabadagi thodokta Vespa thogduna lakpa mi ama laikhidraba mi adu phobokchau awang laikai dagi irengbam syam chahi kunthra humdoi apokpa tombu kawi hairi cheraksida ngasi numidang kangchupta thokhiba khudongthiba thodok amada JCB driver amasu laikhidre hairi lamdam asida mahoksana piramba yengbada pukning huraba mafam kaya ama lotuna leiri haiba laingakna khangnabasu matam chana semgat sagatuna lamkoiba singi minyangpham ama oihanbadi ngamdri masigi manungda chengdai village ama oire
Imphal dagi kilometer chamaga kunthraga tare lom chatlaga leiriba Tamenglong district ki tongan ba mafam singda mahoksagi fajabatana thallaba mafam kayam ngasisu lotuna leiri makhoi sing adugi manungda makoi jelat lake baraki ising saibi thalon gi surung amasung jingi thel kaya asigi marakta khwaidagi nanba mafam ama oiriba chengdai village na Hena amukko magun hafli ingsok lising aniga taraga taruk amasung ingsok lising aniga taraga taret anida thangna thanangna Tamenglong district administration na Chingi district sengi manungda khwaidagi nanbagi mana pikhraba Chengdai village na lamdam asibu luna nana leinabagi tamjena fom amasu oihauri asigumbaba phajaba kayana thalaba Tamenglong district pu laingakna sengat sagatuna lamkoiba kayagi mi yengfam ama oheningbagi apamba phongdokladuna Chengdai village ki secretary Kuiluwang na wafam kaya thamlakli
kanogi tourism gi promote tawning ba akhoi praja miyambu awareness karapiraga sumaina nana luna sumaina lairaga akhoi hingdabani haibasu laye adu mi atopadasu akhoi attraction pinaba sumaina akhoi kamaina akhoi tourism gi promote tawse tawgadage haibedo akhoi miyambu khanghallaga akhoi chahi manga truk haibatare adu akhoi honaraga adum lakjari bani adu akhoi gi pangal lawbase hawbasu akhoi world environment day haina chakiba 2016 17 aduwaida consecutively akhoi Tamenglong district ki oina akhoi khunsi anirak sura first no yamna lu nan bada khoi most cleanliness village hai bagi award se anirak dum phangi consecutively 2016-17 da adu dagi khoi pangal lauraga oh sumaina tawdabni sumaina akhoi kamaina honasi honage aduga akoina honaraga akoina tawbasi miyamda kamaina tourism se promote tawgadage haibasu rainforest club na akoida pengan pibagi adum lakpani
ngasi laingakna tourist spot kaya semgat nabagi pandam thamliba asida Tamenglong district pu kanthok lamba tawdana akhannaba meeting sangduna thabakta onthokpa ngamlabadi district asigi tongan ba mafam singda lairiba lairik laisu hairaba naha kaya thabak pibada natana khul adugi senmitlon gi fibam phagat hanbada ngamlagani haibagi achet pathajaba khunja singi thamoida fahori laingakna miyeng sangbidrabadi singda satpi inge leina chinadana ken khibagum lamdam asigi phajaba sing asi malemgi miyangda uthok pangamla roidara haibagi mipaina basu khunja singda lehori
hauji akoina leijariba mafamse chengdai haina Tamenglong district headquarter degi kilometer 32 khaktagi thapa mafamni ada hauji masigi very spot mafam sina chengdai gi mayam chahi kya mamang degi moigi ipa ipu mayamna lam chalaga lau chalaga natraga kai athapada chala laga sida pota pham haina akoi indigenous londa rengan haina moina thonjaba mafamni and then asigi lambi si sumsat pakan sida makhagi chaluraga sum mayamna khangnariba barak waterfall aduga Zailat Lake haina akoi Manipur gi yamna Tamenglong district ta phawriba yamna phawna mingchatna leiba tourist spot ani gi mafam sidagi dum chatpa phawba yare aduga loinana chengdai hairiba mafam se Tamenglong di Imphal digi lakpa Jiri digi lakpa Nagaland digi lakpa adugi myam se yamna center oiba yamna meeting point oina masigi mafam se yamna tourist ki promotion tauba yabagi chance wangna leiba mafam ne haina sumaina haijabni pawdam jeriba blessing gang my camera person Gobin Tom TV News, Chengdai, Tamenglong.
Hojik pangthok liba Sangai Festival kumhai gamari lenana towards tomorrow Manipur Association of Voluntary Blood Donors amadi Department of Transfusion Medicine Dreams ka khusamnaduna ngasi Manipur Trade and Expo Auditorium lamboi khonang khongda blood donation camp ama pangthokre camp aduda miyoi samagi mathakta I dan tongnaki thoram aduda chief guest oikhiva Imphal College ki associate professor Rajkumari Babitana hai Atu akai matamda I darkar leirakpa matamda kharadang oirebasu mateng pangnabagi pandamda asigumba kem ama pangthokpa asi singthaningai oi akhoi punamakna blood donation tawbagi hainabi thambagi tangai fadaba lei haina mahakna haikhe
tola taraba tektana tadana leiraba ngasagi leijadraba mioi ngasagi athuba yamna emergency da I darkar oirba mioi singbu aikoina khudak ta aikoina blood asi donate tawbasi yadaba maramna aikoina karigumba aikoina sigumba program asi sillaga aikoina blood donation camp asi sinjariba sidagi aikoina piriba blood chingsna hayeng blood bank ta yaukraganda emergency da lakpa mioi singduda karigumba aikoina mateng khara piba ngamgadra haiba adugi wakhallonda sinjariba asibu aina hanna thagachari
Kem aduda Times of Manipur ki cameraman Gobin Moirangthem Imphal Times Pauche ki desk editor Yambem Rupamala su yauna nungthil pung ahum phawbuda mioi humbudra romna I dan tokhe Kai amadi ningthi vina sinduna satharakpa art meets fashion haina mingthonba painting exhibition gi saruk ama oina tongan ba artist amadi designer singi oiba ayekpa laising mia mamangda uba phangankhre Kai gi CEO Silviana painting exhibition asi artist amadi designer singna punna thabak tongmina handuna anuba makhal gi fashion exhibition ama puthokna bagi pandamda sinbani haike
This is to bring together fashion and artists. Art kitang haraga just paintings kitang adugumba mosinate. Art habagi there are many ways of showing art. Fashion is also another part of art. Aduga akhona swana pusala aga mi crowd to akhoi mi fashion pamba mi lay artist kano ki paintings pamba lay sculptures ki kano pamba lay adudegi poetry hairo. There are so many terms of art. Aduda akhona shi pusala aga like collaborate tawraga what we can do something new apamba kai anoba hawdokpa yage haina
Amaromda painting exhibition aduda saruk yakhiva artist singna art meets fashion exhibition haiba asigi matangda wafam kaya phongdona rakhi
ai chai fine party career sida exhibition tawrapasi swaina fashion ga pulla tawdi smo yawtre adu bo handak kisina yamna interesting of installation ke yawraga the yam fashion ge punjalaga habdi Manipur da ai kan da art ka ta haita ga timi si kya lang da basu boiba adu fashion haita te yam da dum mi si de lo ki ro pat basu yam pa me adu ani se punjalaga selection experience pe yam ma pa ne apor ba keno designer mani Isamuksi ang wilera mina kasi koukhre chana ba aduna koi sing haita ga like minded me ang punjalaga taw haita
Manipur has a very different, unique culture. So, where everybody is very talented, and like each and every people here can sketch, can do any kind of artwork. So everyone is very talented here. So how it is cultural because this Thai events, they are getting new things in Manipur. So they are collaborating with all the new people and collaborating with the old artists and famous artists and bringing them together here as a platform where all the arts can meet together.
Kaina mana exhibition nama collaborate tawga artists ahum pullaga mana exhibition nama tawba se yamna hayeng khalle habdi anuba platform habdi tawriba koi exhibition gi mong tawsu yamna si mapan da tawmari mong ki level da dum tawba se yamna koi di yamna artist mo le ki yamna nungai ba duga yamna praja gi zoi ba habdi anuba experience makhalam ne tar tawriba artwork se display tawriba mong tawsi yamna pan gi level da dum chamana na
Art and Culture ki Minister L. Jentukumar ngasi mahaki Secretariat ta leiba Office Chamber da 13 suba State Film Award lauthokre Lifetime Achievement Award ta miyamna lamja tomba haina sakhangnaraba artist kangabam tomba feature film gi kanglupta inakta leiringaina best film takre film nasigi director Manoranjan Longjamna best director actor R.K. Somendro amadi Soma Laisramna best actor amadi actress takre ise tampa film da saktam langkhibi Tonthoi Leshang Themna Special Jury Award takre Langol Ningthou Mathak Lakai Dalaiba Barage Yum Amada Laibi Chahi Tarahum de Kakta Ngai Ribi Nupi Masa Amabu Yumbu na Tha Sagi Kun Manga da Rep Tau Khibagi Mayokta Chenariba Bara Mapu Oinam Tomba Police na Fakre Koshau na Rabam Yamna Imung Manung Tan Thoknaba Warep Lau Khibagaloina na Ngasi Yum Kai Tugaiduna Mang Ta Thoan Khre Janura Microfin Manipur na Micro Enterprise Loan Hogdokre ngasi Manipur Press Club ta pangthokiba hogdokpagi thormaduda Manipur State Commission for Women ge ex-chairperson Dr. Sheikh Jamini Charuna Microfine Manipur ge chairperson N Harimati amadi Chief Executive Officer su oiriba Founder Secretary PK Khumana athoiba mithunglen sing oina saruk yakhe Sathariva Sangai Festival lisingani taranipan ge soruk amo oina ngarang lamboi khonglang khongda leiba Trade and Exhibition Center ground da Manipur Government ke Sericulture Department ge sponsor makada Aruna Academy of Creative Art ki maikaidegi nungsi laikol Son of Land haina mingthonba fashion show miyam da khudol tamkhre Fashion show asida Manipur ge saknaraba film actor and actress kayana saruk yakhe Academy asigi director loinana saknairaba designer amasu oirivi Aruna Piari Salamna lamdam asigi muka textile amadi fisalonsa sing asibu malemgi kaithel da putoktuna marang kaini yolaba kandata state asigi semilon da ahongbu porakpa ngamgani haiki
Nusi lekol ki thim masi akhoi ki nusi bi lekol ari base send of land hari se akhoi ki Manipur sibuni Manipur si ya makhal makha kaya gi Hazaraba mioi jati kaya nu khundaba lambi asumana nusiraba lekol ngomnaba akhoi ki Manipur se masi matam kuirabagi tungda warurabagi tungda hasi akhoi jakhotbagi lamjel da sangasi loina na lekol sigi lerang hairang gori basi hakulali baju singsi sini nupi khunai aduga akhoi maru oina Manipur da sendong lambi wangan ji haiba taragadi Manipur gi muga singa se maru oina sericulture gi muga singa se asibu jokoina globally market tona khona dana garment mem tro khona raga akhoi iram da masi business development se masi puraksi let us empower youths, let us empower women weavers, and let us empower sericulture 6 for global marketing and business development of Manipur. This is my message to the tonight's fashion parade no civil icon.
Fashion show asigi saruk ama oina pangthokiba rock concert business rock band gi vocalist Gautam Salam amadi Mandira Das yauna lamdam asigi saknairiba artist John Oinam amadi poireina su isai kya khudol tamki Hojik ngasi nungthilda phongkhiba Manipuri pawse singi moriba pawmuk khangminasi
Paujel tongan mafam singda sanga sing sirambagi thongdok thokle State Information Commission mathau nithina tawdaba sina sarkar asi transparent oidre takpani Joy Kumar Gram Panchayat ki thakdagi honadrabadi sokhat pangamloi Bimola Manipur Film Policy Sembolo Shilakle Jayant Kumar Entrepreneur Sing Sakhat and Mamathau Tai BK Kuman Kangla Fao Trying to Suba Polo International da India B Manipuna winner oikhre State Asida Entrepreneur Sing Sakhat Handuna Economic Pagaranba Mathau Tai Kuman Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhim Rao Javekar gi mana pinaw khalakle Pandam Trying to Suba Manipur Polo International Lisingani Tara Nipal Loishinkhre Poni Mutanaba Mai Naba Singa Akan Mamiyeng Sangma Mathau Tai Nazma Heptula Class 1 dagi 8 fawgi syllabus handak sahi dagi SERT na semba hoduna quality leiba direct ohengadori kangabam tomada lifetime achievement award piragani inakta lelingai film na best feature film takhe ngai paki maira ngasi su khongdom tekchamda ok ohum sathok lamde sanga gi leifam sing mai nga na thanbiu sathok khraba sa singi damak scheme amagi makhada mating pina honori veterinary director excise department na phagalaba using manghan khre subna dagi personnel sahum marfu khak leiri raghu Lupi masa ma ijat manghan bagi wahauda lekai miyam hokna yum amang ta thon khre mafam ani thokhiba accident da mioi ani sire Borak festival numit ni pangthok kadori
Aroibada maroiba pawm kana phangbigani Tarani thoi suba Manipur Polo International Tournament India Team B na England bu taret mari da maithiba peeduna champion oikhre US Ambassador to India Kennet Juster na ngasi Imphal da laktuna Sangai Festival sharuk yakhre amadi Yumda yokpa sha-uchek chariba sa makhal asi khangdoknaba expert koukhre. Ngasi di matang sida Manipuri Polo Times of Manipur News yang beri punungpu amkana kurumjari.